Good morning. I'm out here at the Dragon, Deals Gap, and I'm here for the Revolution Rally. So last night, women started to come in for this motorsports event. Women are coming in on all different types of bikes from different areas of the country. I met a couple women last night who came all the way from Pennsylvania. You can be on any type of motorcycle. It could be a sport bike. It could even be a trike. It's all about motorsports. And so today we're going to get some breakfast at Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort, and then we're going to hit some area roads. And I do want to share that because I'm pregnant here, I'm actually not going to be on a bike because I'm not feeling too great. So I'll be in the S2000. It's a sports car convertible. But again, this is all about women in motorsports, and so being on four wheels is just as fine as being on two. So I will be following everybody around. So it'll be group rides today, and then tonight there's a dinner. It's such a great community, and I love seeing familiar faces, but it's also nice to see new ones too. So I got to meet some new women last night, and although this event is for women, some of the women have brought their significant others, so it's great to see the guys as well. So I'm going to be interviewing some of the ladies, and you'll get a taste of what this rally is all about.
Hi, I'm Christina Stevens, and I'm here with Revolution Rally. Technically, I think my title is Mission Overlord, but I'm one of the co-founders and co-hosts of this event. We used to work with the Women's Sport Bike Rally, which has gone on for the past 15 years, but this year we wanted to expand the scope in order to bring in all kinds of women who ride on any kind of bikes or three-wheeled vehicles, and just sort of create a more welcoming, more inclusive environment, basically to break down any barriers and help people know that they are welcome here in the community and that every one of us is an integral part in making this community great. My roles were mostly practical. I was in charge of working with vendors, working with sponsors, getting certain things made, making sure that our finances were in order, and just some of the business components of running the event.
That's great. And so what are you most excited about?
I'm most excited about, well, first of all, let's get it out of the way. The roads in the area, obviously, because I love coming back here every year. But mostly, I'd say I'm excited about having some new people come to this event who've never been, and being able to show them around and show them a good time and show them what we're all about.
Hey, I'm Brittany Morrow. I am here at the Revolution Rally at Deals Gap Motorcycle Resorts in beautiful North Carolina, Robbinsville area. Deals Gap, for all of you in the know. We are going up to Maple Springs Observation Deck today and then taking the Cherahela Skyway out to Tellico Plains and back. One of my favorite rides in the entire country, actually in the entire world. Beautiful roads, beautiful scenery, tons of awesome people. I cannot wait. I am so excited. Come with us.
So we're getting ready to head out. We're at Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort. We're getting ready to head to Joyce Kilmer and then the Skyway. I've got the trusty S2000 out here.
I'm Christy. I'm out here at Revolution Rally, rebranded, same event, same great people. We come out here to the beautiful roads of East Tennessee every year after the Labor Day weekend. And wow, what an amazing weekend to have it held on this year. The weather's cooperating and everyone's out here having a great time. It's a great event. It brings a lot of riders together. We all share similar interests. It doesn't matter what you ride, two wheels, trikes. We will welcome everyone here to the mountains for a great weekend.
Awesome. And tell us a little bit about where you're at right now.
Right now we are at the Cherahela Skyway, and they have several scenic lookouts where you can turn off. Some of them even have restrooms, which is pretty handy, especially for us ladies. And it's a great road. It goes for miles and miles. It provides tons of opportunity to see what the mountains of East Tennessee have to offer. In a couple more weeks, we're going to see all this greenery start turning all the colors of the rainbow. So I can't wait to come back and check it out then.
Awesome. And you're on a MT-09?
Yeah, I'm on a FC09, MT09. They rebranded it. I've been riding this for about a year now. I also have a Gixxer 600. It's in the shop getting a little upgrade made to it. So I'm missing that, but this is a great bike for cruising around these mountains. I'm pretty comfortable.
So it's been a great day at the Revolution Rally today. Everyone went on the group rides. Now we're back at Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort and getting ready for a cookout. So we're gonna do a dinner together and have some fun and basically just have a fun night. So check it out.
Oh, sorry. Hey, Evelyn Johnston here with the Revolution Rally. I am the base commander for the rally. This is my 5th year coming, and I really love coming to this event because it's all different ages, all different motorcycles, and I really love the friends that I make, and that's one of the main reasons that I keep coming back. Like, we all share the same love for motorcycles, so I highly suggest looking it up and putting it on your event schedule for the future. See ya!